Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. So for chemical bonding chapter, there are 5 videos I have given. Uh, in this video, I will discuss some question from chemical bonding. Let's see the question. First question is hybridization of PCl5 solid is okay. So, here are the options: sp3d, sp3, sp3d2, and in the option D, both sp3 and sp3d2. Okay. So for PCl5 solid molecule, this is exist as PCl4 plus and PCl6 minus. Okay, so PCl4 plus, this is sp3 hybridization, and PCl6 minus, that is sp3d2 hybridization. Okay, so correct option here, option D. Next, which has highest bond order? So these are the options: O2, O2 plus, O2 2 plus, O2 2 minus. So at first you have to calculate the electrons. Then you find that bond order is for O2, that is 2, O2 plus, that is 2.5, O2 2 plus, that is 3, and O2 2 minus, that is 1. Okay, so here the correct option is option C. Next, write the molecule increasing order of their bond order. Here you have first calculate the electrons, that is for the first, that is 14, then 3, and then 15, then 16. Okay, so bond order are there: 3, 0.5, 2.5, and 2. So the order is this. Okay. Next, which of the following has complete octet? PCl3, BeCl2, AlCl3. These all have the less octet. Okay. So for AlF3 molecule, this is highly ionic due to Fajans, from Fajans rule. You also know that if AlF3 molecule is highly ionic. Okay. So this have the complete octet. Okay, you can see this is the. Which of the following is more soluble in ether? Okay, so that more soluble in ether, that is option D is correct, NaI. We can also this question from Fajans rule. You know that for NaI this is highly covalent. Okay, so for and ether also is non-polar, so NaI is more dissolved or more soluble in ether. Which is more soluble in alcohol? That is AgF. This is also from Fajans rule question. Okay. Next question: which of the following metal carbonates gives CO2 gas on heating? You know that metal carbonates of group 1A group 1A molecules are more stable than metal carbonate of group 2A. Okay, so these A, B, and D, these all are the metal carbonates of group A, group 1A. Okay, but option C, that is Li2CO3, this is metal carbonates of group 2A. So this is unstable molecule, so it gives CO2 on heating. Next, which of the following species has plain trigonal shape? Okay, so for NO3 molecule, this is planar trigonal. Okay, you can see the structure is this. Sorry, basically this is a planar trigonal. Okay, this type of structure is given. Next question: the correct bond order in the following species is. So you have to I will discuss in the previous class. You have to, at first you have to calculate the electrons. Then you find that O2 2 plus have more bond order, or then O2 plus, then O2 minus. Okay, so here correct option is option C. Next, which of the following molecule has the maximum dipole moment? Okay, so for ammonia molecule, these have the maximum dipole moment. Okay. Next, which of the following organic compound has same hybridization as its combustion product CO2? Okay, so this is basically a conceptual question. That is this is CO2. From this this is sp2 hybridized. Okay, And you know that ethene is also sp2 hybridized, and it is an hydrocarbon molecule. So if we combustion this reaction, then this takes place, this will also the sp2 hybridized. Okay, so here the correct option is ethene. So these are the questions I have completed. Okay, next this chapter is very very important from your exam point of view, so you have lot of practice from this chapter questions. Okay, thank you.